In this video, let's see how to log into cPanel directly in Namecheap hosting. So let's start the video process. To log into cPanel, we need to enter and search either of the two URL link in the browser. Website domain name /cpanel or website domain name :2083, which will take us to the cPanel login page. My website domain name is howtocreateafreewebsite.com. So my full cPanel URL link is howtocreateafreewebsite.com/cpanel. Replace your website domain name and add /cpanel. Here, we can see the login form. We need to add cPanel login username and password, which we can find in our email account, which we used when opening Namecheap hosting account, or when we bought the web hosting with Namecheap. We need to enter the cPanel username and password in cPanel login form. And we will be taken to this page. Here, we need to click the cPanel button to enter cPanel settings page to access all the application and other settings in cPanel main page. With this, we have come to the end of this video. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get updates when we add more content.